that's what he said.
Well, I'm having a cup of coffee. I'm going to try it. I haven't had a cup of coffee for 18 months.
It's got soya milk in.
Yeah, so we'll see how I get on with it. We've just been watching Stephen's video, haven't we, Pat, in Folkestone?
We have.
Country Van Life UK. Absolutely brilliant video, wasn't it, Pat?
Well, beautiful.
Yeah, really enjoyed that video, mate.
Beautiful place.
Yeah, lovely place, Folkestone. I think we must have missed it when we were down there.
Yeah.
I don't know why. It also, your trip down there in Kent and Essex down there all seems totally different from when we went. We just couldn't get packed anywhere, could we? It was just terrible. It was in November and all. Just seems so different, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
Yeah, when I thought I'm never coming back to this place. Horrible, you can't get packed anywhere.
Having seen that, it looked
Yeah.
really nice.
It did. Yeah, thanks for that, Stephen.
Yes, thank you, Stephen. Much enjoyed.
And
And Sky looks as though he's behaving himself.
yeah, he's settled down a lot, hasn't he?
Yeah, he must have got used to you.
He can probably never understood what you said when you first got him. Yeah.
You think our dogs, can they fathom languages?
Of course they can.
Yeah.
Yeah, they know what you're saying
Yeah.
to an extent. And it come from Bulgaria, he wouldn't have understood English, would he?
No.
Yeah. Brilliant, mate.
Yes, thank you.
And look at Pat. She's doing what she never stops doing. Cleaning and tidying and...
Well, we've just had our look. Well,
Yeah, we have.
before we watched Stephen. So
We'd had us lunch and we were watching your video after lunch, weren't we, Pat?
yeah, we were. So I didn't wipe table down after we'd had lunch, so it's getting done now.
All right, folks. See you tomorrow. All being well.
Bye.
The Mademoiselle Restaurant reached its climax so inglorious in the murder of Nanny Seagram. It was no accident that Mademoiselle Restaurant felt responsible.
I can, love. We've decided we're going out. Oh, I'm afraid we can't see your boots very well. Oh, you've got pretty boots on, look. Right, you can't see them right well.
No, don't matter. I don't have to.
There she is. Oh,
I'm all done now.
right.
Right, we'll go.
Thank you. I don't know if you can hear us, because it's very loud. But we're in Ephesus in Broadway, which is Turkish. I think it's Turkish. I'm having meatballs and Pat is having sea bass. Got a bottle of Sauvignon Blanc. Pat's got Coke Zero. It's just occurred to me, that in the Bible there's a book of Ephesus. And Ephesus is in Greece. So this must be a Greek restaurant, not Turkish. That's looking at menu for Christmas dinner, which is £70 a head. She's just saying that Lala's is cheaper. Indian. Do you know how much it was?
£55.
Right.
Don't quote me on that, but that's all I think.
Because I know what Tracy mentioned, next Christmas we eat out instead of doing all cooking as sen. We haven't thought about it, I haven't heard it mentioned before.
No, not this year.
I'd rather spend it on that than presents.
I mentioned it when we were at Lala's.
Oh yeah, what did Tracy say?
She said, oh,
Because I'd rather spend money on that than a load of garbage.
mention it to her then.
Right. That's my meatballs.
Nice sea bass.
Sea bass. Very nice. There's a saying that life is like a swimming pool where all the noise comes from the shallow end. And this place is definitely the shallow end. Well, some decibels in there, won't there, Pat?
You want that? Gosh, that around.
For a nice meal. Well, plumbing, why do people talk so loud?
What?
But we ain't done, we're going to Barge. Rodley Barge. For a swift half. Finish the thing off.
So swift.
You what, Pat?
So swift.
Not so swift, maybe. We always manage to do everything far too quickly.
Yeah.
When we're on our own. When we're with other people, it takes longer.
Yeah.
So here we go, the Barge pub. There you are. Freehouse Cascales, Rodley Barge.
In there. Well,
Pat's thinking there's more life going on in house.
seen over
Oh
there.
God, they are, aren't they?
Yeah.
You want it to go over there?
No, good.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We don't normally go in here, do we?
No.
So we'll have a look. There we go. Well, there's anywhere to sit in here. Oh, come into a different room. Bit quieter. Look at that painting up there. Rodley Barge, this pub and canal. It's pretty good actually.
Anyway, how are you? Alright. Been alright at work? That's never been in.
Where what is that?
Yeah,
That.
she's on out here.
That's Barge, isn't it?
No, that top,
She said everything to you.
top picture there, is it?
This is at Mackett pub. You can't really tell what's going on here. Well, that's the canal there. You can't, it's just pitch black. Bye.